Yes to the masses. Hi, hello. Here we go again. Free times. Enjoy my free time. We're in Bamfurlong. Little cheeky police station out of the way. Let's have a look. Not many cars in the car park so far. It's quite empty. Very empty. Must be unless it's not operational right now, I don't know. But we'll have a look. PC 101. Does it close? I don't know. Push. Yeah, it's closed. Have a look round. Absolutely nothing to the back. You get in there, look. It's not a news station, I don't think. Still got a good look, can't we? That's it. Only two cars. That's it. One copper, just having his fag break. What's he gonna do? Just on his phone, he's not doing anything, is he? Easy job here, nice and quiet. One private vehicle. I did wave back. You gonna come for a chat? Was that enough?
You doing an audit?
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. You are?
I've seen it.
You seen my channel?
I think so. That's why I'm not alarmed about what you're doing.
Which channel have you seen?
I couldn't say for name, definitely. Have you been to Lee before? Have you been audited at Lee before?
I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah, it's alright. What's this place then? It's a bit quiet here, isn't it?
Yeah, Bamfurlong police station.
Is it just opened, is it? Or?
No, no. It's just, I don't know, it's not one where we're based at. It's not like, we don't parade on here or anything, but it's still used for different things. Like.
How many people's in there though? There's just only, is that your car and a squad car?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know how many people are in here, because there's all different rooms and stuff, so I don't go for them all. I just come, I'm just having my dinner. I didn't get a chance to get it before. And then heading doing some admin and stuff.
Do you like the audits then? Do you watch them?
Yeah. I mean, I know there's some officers that get a bit like defensive, but I know you're not here to do any harm or anything. You're just what you're doing it. So it's an audit, so I've got no problem with it. And I know you're allowed to film me and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about, you know. And you know what? It's better to show the police in a good light than in a bad light.
Yeah. I'm hoping this is a.
Yeah. This is good. This is good.
That's good then. Yeah. But like I say, I've seen some get defensive, and again, I understand the purpose of why you're doing it, so it don't bother me in the slightest. And I've got nice rights, so. But yeah, how are you finding it? Like.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm relatively new, so.
Oh right.
Yeah.
Right. So fair enough. But yeah, I mean, at least this is a positive one and not a negative one.
Yeah. Can't believe how quiet the car park is, though. You know.
It's because it's not like a fully manned station as such. It's like, I don't know what the term would be, what it would be called, but like people from Wigan, officers from Wigan and stuff come here, officers from Leeds come here as well.
Yeah.
Middle ground, and say if it's going to take us too long, for example, to get to Leeds to input crimes or like as I say, admin stuff, we can come here and jump on the computer here and then we can get back out and do jobs rather than go all the way back to Leeds and come all the way back up here. So it's saving time and you'll be able to do more in a shorter amount of time. So.
Good.
Well, yeah, I'm going to head back in a minute.
Alright, can you do one thing for me?
Yeah.
Identify?
PCSO 72670.
Alright, nice one. Cheers. Have you got your designation card on you?
Hang on. This one. Well, you can see it, but I can't let you film it.
Well, that's not your designation card, is it? That's your warrant card.
What do you mean by designation card?
What designates your powers? As your a PCSO?
It's in my coat in there. I can get it.
Yeah, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Cheers. Well, guys, to be honest, I thought he was a copper, but he's a PCSO, and what a nice guy. No issues at all. That's how it should be. That's what we like. That's what we do this for. Hopefully, you know, others will learn. And if he does want to become a police officer in the future, I think he'll make a good one. Fair enough about him not having a designation card because he's not in the public. We did offer to go and get it. Let's see if he comes back. Like I say, guys, this is what it's all about. Finding the good ones. I don't always like confrontations. I like nice interactions. This is a Bamfurlong, and it is going to be a pass. You know, he didn't even have to come over and talk to me then. He could have just had his cigarette and gone on his way. But he took the time. he's going to come back or not. Probably can't find his designation card, or he's downloading it and printing it out. Don't know if it's going to be a development around here or if it's just farm. There's nothing at the back but fields, if you can see. Wonder if he's been told not to come back out. We'll hang around 5 minutes, maybe 10. Bamfurlong. He ain't coming back. Alright, I'm going to stop recording there and pick it up in 5 minutes if he comes back. Right guys, been hanging around now. He didn't come back with his designation card. To be honest, he didn't know what it was when I asked him. He's either gone in there, Google what it is and realised he hadn't got one. I don't know. But to be fair, he was pretty sound. Took the time to come and talk, which we like. He had no issues. I asked him questions, he answered. A good pass. And like I said to him, you know, that's what we want. We want to show him in a good light. I know he wasn't a copper. He's still got time yet to be corrupt. Yeah, you know, he might be one of the good ones, you know. I'll get on my way. There's nothing happening here, it's dead. Let's say, at least we had an interaction and it was a positive one. What more can we say? What more do we want? I give him an opportunity to come back. He's not come back. He's obviously not got his designation card. Bamfurlong people, like and subscribe. Catch you in a bit.